This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete books from your Audible library. First, understand that deleting titles can mean two different things. You might want to simply remove a book from your listening device, or you might want to permanently remove it from your entire Audible account. Deciding which option is right for you depends on whether you are managing device storage or curating your long-term collection. If you are only looking to free up space on your phone or tablet, removing a book from your device is the simplest method. Simply open the Audible app, navigate to the Library section, and locate the title you wish to remove. Tap on the three vertical dots next to the book and select Remove from Device. This action does not permanently delete the book from your account, allowing you to re-download it anytime. To truly delete a book from your entire Audible library, meaning it will no longer appear in your purchased titles, you must use the Audible website on a computer or mobile browser. This process is more permanent than simply removing it from a device. Before proceeding, remember that once a title is removed from your library, you will no longer own or have access to it without repurchasing it. From the Audible website, click on Library in the top navigation bar. Find the specific title you wish to delete, then click on the three vertical dots or the More Options button next to it. From the menu that appears, select Remove from Library. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to permanently remove the book. Confirm your decision to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.